Key area: cellular respiration and energy systems in muscle cells. 47. What are the three stages of respiration? The three stages of respiration are glycolysis, the TCA cycle, and the electron transport chain. 48. Where does glycolysis take place? Glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. 49. Where does the TCA cycle take place? The TCA cycle takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. 50. Where does the electron transport chain take place? The electron transport chain takes place in the cristae of the mitochondria. 51. What are the three potential energy sources that can be used in respiration? The three potential energy sources that can be used in respiration include carbohydrates, glucose, fats, and proteins. M. McElroy Human Cells, J20H76. 52. How much ATP is produced in anaerobic respiration? 2 ATP are made in anaerobic respiration. 53. Where does anaerobic respiration take place? Anaerobic respiration takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. 54. What happened to pyruvate at the end of glycolysis in anaerobic respiration? The pyruvate is converted to lactic acid. This is a reversible process, and the lactate can be converted back to pyruvate after the oxygen debt is repaid. 55. What happens to hydrogen released during respiration? Hydrogen binds to the hydrogen acceptors NAD and FAD. They transport the hydrogen to the electron transport chain, where they are passed through a series of proteins to generate ATP. Oxygen acts as the final hydrogen acceptor, combining to form water. 56. How many ATP are made in aerobic respiration? 38 ATP are made in aerobic respiration. 57. Where does aerobic respiration take place? Aerobic respiration takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell and the mitochondria. 58. What happens to pyruvate at the end of glycolysis in aerobic respiration? The pyruvate is converted to acetyl-CoA and transferred to the TCA cycle. 59. What role does creatine phosphate play? Creatine phosphate acts as an extra source of energy for muscles when initial ATP stores are depleted. 60. When would slow-twitching muscle fibers be useful? Slow-twitching muscle fibers are able to maintain contractions over a long period of time. They are effective in sports such as long-distance running, skiing, or cycling. 61. When would fast-twitching muscle fibers be useful? Fast-twitching muscle fibers are useful in activities that require short bursts of energy like sprinting or weightlifting.